Hey makers, it's Mel. Today on Makers Moments, I'm going to share with you a little secret. It's called the subscription model. Chances are you or someone that you know has utilized a subscription for something that they use continually or that they just love and want to have always ending up at their door. The subscription model benefits both the consumer and the business owner because the business owner receives consistent income while providing the consumer with a product that they can know is always going to come when they need it to be there. An additional benefit of the subscription model is that you can often provide, as a business owner, your consumers your product at a little bit of a lower cost. This is possible because now that you have consistent income coming into your business, you have a little bit of wiggle room to work with your margins. Win-win. So, an amazing way to incorporate the subscription model into your maker business is by utilizing candle inserts. The Wooden Whitco Luxe Marble vessels come with an optional fitted glass insert, making them the perfect sustainable subscription model. Customers make a one-time purchase of a Luxe Marble vessel and have the ability to purchase different fragrance candle inserts at a lower cost. And if you want to get really eco-friendly, you can even set up a system where customers ship their empty refills back to you for a discount on their next purchase. You can mix and match, update your refill scents seasonally, and even add some fun points of difference such as eco dyes, micas, crystals, or a combo of all three. The outcome is more variety for your consumer, less waste, and a lower cost for the both of you. Win-win! Are you interested in incorporating a subscription model into your business? Let us know in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to stay in the know on all the latest makers, tips, and tricks. Happy making!